YouTube. I'm back at the T4 today. I was hoping to do a bit of welding, but as you can see it's a bit wet and wild, so that strap has come off, that's broken, or it's come loose. That's not great. I'm going to take the cover off just now anyway, jump in the back and finish some sanding. It's the strap on this side that's actually broken off. That's meant to be a loop, but it's broken off from there, and the cat's interested. I spent yesterday doing more sanding, but that's soul destroying, and it's a better day today. So as you can see, it's a sunny day, but it's a bit windy if you look at the leaves there. So I'm going to get on with welding that bit into the side step. Pretty much ready to go. It's got weld through primer on the back already, so I'm just going to clean that up ready for welding and get that welded in. Before I weld that in, I've had issues with the sliding door, so I'm just going to fart about with that and get it working how I'm happy with it before I weld that bit in. So all I've got to do is drop in here, so I'm trying to fix that just now. You might remember in a previous video I got this bit that goes on the step runner from my pal Chopper and his brother Stefan, and what I've done is I've welded this on the back there, not the neatest of welds, but and that now follows the contour of my step, so it doesn't sag down that way or anything like that. So that's that part of the problem kind of fixed. The next part of the problem is I'm going to make a kind of rail for the wheels to run in on that bit, similar to the track, like that. I've kind of found the stuff that I'll be able to do it with. Got a bit of this scrap steel out of the Crev's scrap bin, and I've cut lots of grooves in it, and then I'm going to put it to the profile of the step runner, and then weld it. I've trimmed that down now, and it fits. My hand in the way. And that will make the track. I've sanded all that back to shiny, and I've planted some hammerite over it before I put the next bit in. I'm kind of sick of it being rusty. I'm waiting in the Skoda, hoping that the drizzle's going to go off. It's not looking like a great day. Yeah, I finished working on that yesterday. It's not the best, it's not the tidiest, but it'll do. Obviously it would have been easier just to use a bit of like C-channel, but didn't have any, so just worked with what you've got, as you've got to do sometimes. Right, I've drilled a hole in there and a hole at the back there as well for my 2 spot welds to hold this part in. I'm going to manage to get a weld on the corner I'm hoping to get a weld right in at the back there, and that should be enough to hold this bottom rail in place. Got that clamped up and ready to weld in, so that's what I'm going to do now. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this rail tacked in, and hopefully with the new bottom bit and the new rail, the door should slide in and out perfectly. Call that a success. It's running all right. Obviously, it seems to be catching here. You can see it's scraping the paint. I'm prepared to live with that. It's not jumping off the tracks anymore, which is always a bonus. So it's done what I wanted it to do. I'm gonna get this tidied up, welded it back in as much as I want to, and then set about welding this step bit in. I've got that ready to weld in. I've got some hammerite on the track. The rest of it's ready to weld in. That bit welded in. Quite happy with that, considering quite the gap that I had to fill. So I'm going to get some hammerite on that now. Right, I've got all that inside absolutely packed full of hammerite everywhere I could reach, because I'll never get back in there again. Got as much on my hand as I have anywhere else. Still drizzling away. It's far too windy to be welding outside today, so I think I'm just going to stop the video there. Thanks for watching.